It's another beautiful morning here at the American Museum and Gardens, and I've been up early taking some videos of some of the plants which are looking really good right now. First we have Corylus Maxima Purpurea, or the purple leaf filbert. This was planted to catch the early morning light as it glows bronze when backlit. Next we have a really lovely daffodil called Hawira, which is a diminutive triandrous type daffodil, so it has a lovely scent and multiple flower heads per stem. It has cheery pale yellow flowers that last for a long time, and it looks really good with bronze fennel. And here we have white bridal wreath, Spirea van Hootii. Below it is the mace sedge, Carex greyi, and on the corner there, this is a typical OVS signature plant. It's Sedum Autumn Joy, and just beyond that is Zizia aurea. And this plant here, which is forming those lime green mounds, is Euphorbia palustris, or the marsh spurge. Its growth really races in the spring. It has long-lasting flowers and does not require staking, and likes a rich, fertile soil. Now, we like our poetry, and we also like the poet's daffodil, Narcissus poeticus var recurvus, which has a wonderful old-fashioned appeal with pure white flowers and a yellow trumpet tinged with red. It has recurved petals and a wonderful scent, and it's really good for naturalising in long grass. This is Dar Mirabelle Tartar, a plant which likes damp conditions. It bears unusual dome-shaped white and pink flower heads held on long coppery stems. Large umbrella-like leaves follow after flowering. At the end of the winding way near the coach house, we have a nice specimen of Davidia involucrata, also known as the Hankerchief Tree, for its white pendulous bracts that sway in the breeze. This is not an American tree. It was introduced from China by the famous Ernest Wilson in the early 20th century.